So finally, they're letting people transcribe text and make subtitles in Premiere Pro. I'm gonna show you how to do that today. Just like this right here. All right, it's real easy. Let's do it. Okay, so just first make sure you got the clip that you wanna use, right? And then you wanna make sure that you have this tab right here clicked, captions and graphics. Then you wanna click on your text window over here and just click transcribe sequence. Now, if you have more than one track, you might have to tell it which specific track you want transcribed by just clicking that. And then make sure you're in English or whatever language you want to transcribe it with. And these options I'm just going to leave default. But you would use this last option if you have multiple voices. You would just check that box so it can separate the messages between the two different people speaking, or three different, or whatever. Then you just hit transcribe. It's gonna load up, take a little second, depending on how much text it is that it needs to transcribe, or dialogue, I should say. And then it's gonna pop up right here in this edit window where you can go exactly to what point where they think the text is being said. And then you can also, like, if you see any errors, you can go in and edit that and change that. All right, once you got everything the way you want it, go ahead and hit create captions, and it's gonna create a sequence way up top for you, like a transcript sequence. I'm gonna just leave the rest of the stuff as is, default, and then hit OK. It's gonna take a second to load that, and then it's gonna show you exactly what timestamp each sentence is said, or each word, or whatever. If you hit the play button, you can already see, like, it's pretty much on point. From this point now, you can change the color of the text or the font, whatever you want to do to that, just by selecting everything. And then this text options are going to pop up right here. Go ahead and hit whatever one you want. That one's not really a good subtitle text. So, I mean, it just depends on what you're doing. I'm just doing like a simple subtitle thing or caption thing so people can read it. So I'm gonna just make it yellow. I'll put a little bit of stroke on here, like a black stroke, so it's easier to read. I want something that's just simple and legible. Now from this point, if you want to just export the SRT file, you could just go ahead and click that. And these other options you can use as well. I'm gonna just go ahead and click this so you guys can see how it'll look. And this file, this is the file you would use, like if you were making a YouTube video, you would upload this file in their subtitle section. And you can also just export it with the text on here, which is what I would recommend doing if it's like a video you're gonna upload on social media somewhere, because not all the social media accounts, or not all the social media platforms, so they don't all make captions automatically for you all the time, and it's not always accurate. You can't edit it the way you would like to. And that's how you do that. All right, if you got any questions or comments, you can leave those in the box below. Appreciate y'all taking a look at this video like usual. See you next time. I'm out.